So these are the best companies to invest your hard-earned money. Company life cycle. Obviously, the best time to invest is this. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. So in my last video, we understood the 50% of growth analysis. That is, we should invest in stable growth companies, which is 50% of growth analysis. And in this video, let's try to understand the remaining 50%. So this video, let's try to understand the 5 kinds of growth. Now the first is high growth companies. So this is the remaining 50%. So we need to invest in high growth companies. Stability is one factor, consistency is 50% and high growth is another factor. Now what does it mean by high growth companies? When I say high growth, it is the net profit growth should be above 15%. So the minimum cutoff is 15%. So that is what we call as high growth companies. The second is moderately high growth companies. Now these companies generate 10% to 15% growth. So if a company is generating 10% to 15%, we call them moderately high growth companies. Third is slow growth companies. Now these companies generate a growth rate between 5% to 10%. So these are slow growth companies. Next is low growth companies. Now these companies generate a growth of around 5%, which is almost economy growth rate. So these kind of companies are called as low growth companies. And last but not least, negative growth companies. So basically these companies generate negative growth. Now which is the best place to invest your money? Obviously it's a no-brainer. So these are the best companies to invest your hard-earned money. So generally I invest in high growth stable companies. Now that's the kind of companies I look for, and I recommend you the same thing. Look for high growth stable companies. And let me take this opportunity to explain you one more concept as well. That is company life cycle. Now similar to human life cycle, companies also have a life cycle. Now what is human life cycle? We take birth as infants, eventually we enter our teenage, then youth, then old age, and eventually we die. And what we call it? We call it human life cycle. Similarly, companies also have a life cycle. They begin as a startup, enter high growth phase, then slow growth phase, then mature phase, and eventually companies decline, enter into decline phase, and they die down. So that is what known as company life cycle. And here, this is basically the high growth phase. Companies that grow more than 15% are basically in high growth phase. Now what is slow growth phase? So basically this is the slow growth phase. Now what about this low growth company? So basically this is mature phase. This is mature phase and this is declining phase. Obviously the best time to invest is this high growth phase. So my recommendation is invest in high growth companies, and stability is also very important. So let me put it simply. So whatever we have covered so far, if you can remember, we basically divided the entire process into 4 steps. Step 1 is look for companies with strong financial health. Step 2 is look for high growth stable companies. What is step 3? In step 3, we look at the profitability of the company, and in step 4, we try to value the company. And so far we have covered step 1 and step 2, and in next episode, let's look at step 3. That is, let's look at 2 key parameters to analyze the profitability of a company, which is step 3 of our process. So that's it for today, guys. And in case if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for your support.